million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just every else is your sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive.
Y'all, I'm back. Human hair drip from one of my most favorite human hair companies, and y'all know I keep it real. I just filmed a human hair wig that was trash, and I said it was trash, and I know people ain't gonna never want to work with me again, but I don't care. Period. It is what it is. Nadula hair isn't, and they sent us over two. I'm not sure what's in these boxes. I just took them out of the plastic. I'm gonna go with this one first. I will say that we like Nadula hair, or I say I do, because one time I filmed one and the hair was like Michael Jackson, and y'all hated that. I had to disable the comments on that one. Let's see what this one is, though. All right. Ooh, I see color. This wig, well, first they gave me some stocking caps and a thing to hold down your edges. It's 24 inches long, and it's in the 99J. Let's see what else we can see. It's a teapot. It's a teapot. Oh, y'all know I love a teapot. Like I love a teapot, meaning I sit around with my sisters and be messy. Y'all look at that. And you know, that's the thing with 99J. You never really know what you're gonna get because there's so many different variations of it. This one is more red than anything, but that's absolutely gorgeous. And y'all know I love a teapot because it's so easy. Y'all look, that is so stinking gorgeous. All right, let's look at the construction. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, like I said, 4x4 or T-part, but you know you get that little part space there. One to the right, one to the left. Oh, y'all look at that. And see, this is why I love a teapot. Look. Put my stocking cap halfway off my head. All right, so let me cut off this little strip of lace. Watch how quickly this is gonna take. Let me cut off this little strip of lace, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Love everybody. This wig made me want to love everybody. I love everything about this wig. The ease of it, the color of it, the quality of it. I just love this wig, period. Let me stand up so you can see. I am 5'5". Here's my boobie. That's how far it comes down. I am absolutely in love, y'all. And so people went wild over hairband wigs. I go wild over teapot wigs, period. Okay, the color is gorgeous. Go get it. And I can vouch for Nadula hair. That's one that I can trust that everything I get by them, they got like a 98% success rate with me. I definitely recommend this one. And look at that color. You can't win. I'm actually excited to see what's in the box. This is the other one. Let's see what's in here. I ain't gonna film it now, but just so you can get ready. I see more color. Woo! So, we'll see what's in that one. Like I always say, maybe you ain't even in the wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Stacy. Maybe it's your Uncle Stacy. Send my way. Me and Nadula hair get them right. Boo-boo. Yes, mom. Ba-bam. Blah-blah. Until next time, we'll do this very soon.